Today we're showing you a New Holland Workmaster 70 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 611 TL quick attach front loader. The tractor has under 10 hours. It's like brand new. Still has a balance of the factory warranty that goes with the tractor. The bucket is a 6-foot bucket. Doesn't show any wear. It's got the Skidsteer style hookup for your bucket connection. Drill guard up front here. Paint is in excellent condition. Tires are practically new. Again, under 10 hours on the tractor. Got the foldable rollover bar, rear hydraulic outlet back here, 540 PTO, hammer strap on the drawbar. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars on both sides. Tractor has 70 horsepower. It's got the mechanical shuttle up here in the dash, which allows you to change direction simply by flipping this lever. You do have to clutch to shift from forward to reverse. However, this is a synchronized shuttle, so the tractor can still be moving while you're shifting. High-low range here to the left of the seat. PTO engagement and four-wheel drive engagement lever also here to the left. To the right, you get your 4 primary gears in the tractor. With the ranges over here, it gives you a total of 8 speeds. Also have your hydraulic and 3-point controls there to the right. Loader control right there with an easy reach. Foot throttle, individual brakes and clutch pedal here to the left. And again, the tractor does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2019. Practically brand new tractor. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.